How to add a YouTube link on Instagram bio. Adding a YouTube link to our Instagram bio helps followers find our video very easily. So if we do not do it, people may miss our content or have to search manually. So let's add it step by step. We open up YouTube app or the browser and we can go to the video channel that we want to share. So for example, if you'd like to share your own channel, you can go to your channel in the U tab in the bottom right and go to your channel, and from there go ahead and copy a link. For example, let's say this is the channel I would like to copy the link for. Go ahead and tap on their channel, tap on the three dot in the top and look out for the option of share and tap on copy link and copy the link. Once the link is copied, you can head back to Instagram, open up the Instagram application and go to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. After that, once you tap on it, you can look out for the option of edit profile and tap on it. And within edit profile, we can just go over and in the link section, add link option. When we tap on it, we can tap on this option called add link. And we can just go over and paste up a link in this URL section. So here, just go over and type in and paste in your link here, paste it here. And similarly, we can put up a title as well. I'm going to leave it as it is. And once you're okay with it, you can tap on done or save at the top right, the check mark option, and confirm and save up the changes. And when you save up the changes and head back to your main account like this, you will be finding the hyperlink of your YouTube channel or your video available right in the bio section. It is now invisible and it is now visible in your Instagram bio. You can just go over and do so. You can use a shortened link as well and add a call to action to your bio and something like watch my latest videos, etc., and update your link regularly if promoting new videos. And it will make it easy for your followers to access your YouTube content. You can boost your views and engagement, save time for both you and your audience, and that's how we do it. Now we have added a YouTube link to our Instagram bio very quickly, so we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.